Ever wondered why we hiccup? Scientists have developed a wearable device that can predict and prevent hiccups before they start. This tiny gadget monitors the diaphragm's electrical activity, detecting the early signs of a hiccup. When it senses a contraction, it sends a gentle electrical pulse to the diaphragm, stopping the hiccup in its tracks. This breakthrough technology is not only a relief for chronic hiccup sufferers, but also a marvel of bioengineering. Imagine a world where hiccups are a thing of the past thanks to this innovative device.